Okay, so this again is the back end of WordPress. And if you remember, I said that it goes WordPress, Genesis, theme, right? So we have WordPress. So now we need to install Genesis and we need to install the theme that sits on top of Genesis. So that's kind of complicated, but I'm going to make it as simple as possible. So here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go back to WP Engine. And the reason why is because remember when I said that WP Engine actually owns Genesis. So we get it for free. So we don't have to pay for Genesis by itself. So I'm going to go to themes and then we're just going to go ahead and download Genesis real quick. So Genesis framework. So we're going to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to go ahead and download and it's downloading for free. I have the Genesis theme, which is what we just downloaded for free from WP Engine. And then we also have the Agent Focus Pro, and that's the one that we paid $60 for. Okay, so these are the two things in my downloads folder, and I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. The next thing you're going to do is where you see it says appearance here, we're going to go to appearance, and then we're going to go to themes. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and upload these into WordPress. So let's go ahead and go to add theme. And then I'm going to go to upload theme. And we're going to do the Genesis first because remember it goes WordPress, Genesis, and then theme. Okay, so let's do the Genesis first. Downloads, Genesis, and then open. Install. Awesome. And then I'm going to go back to themes again. And now that we have the Genesis installed, we are going to add a new theme and we're going to add what we paid the $60 for. So let's go to upload theme, choose file, and Agent Focused Pro. Install. Awesome. And then I'm going to go ahead and activate this one. Now, when I visit my site, I should be able to see it a little bit differently than I was able to see it before. So let's take a look. So you can see that it's changed, but it's not quite this yet, right? We still got a little ways to go. So right now, it's different than what it was, but we have some things we need to do here, okay, to make it look like this. So let's go ahead and pause here, and then I'm going to go to the next video, and I'm going to show you how we're going to turn this into this step by step.